In this video, we'll show you how to add a Queclink tracker to GpsGate. We'll do this via SMS. Make sure you're in an area with a good signal. We'll demo using an Android, but iPhone works too. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Asset panel and click on Add Asset. Give the asset a name, select the Queclink tracker model that you would like to add to the platform, and choose the configuration type. Click Next Step. Now, enter the tracker's IMEI number, the SIM card, APN, and phone number. Click Next Step. Next, we'll configure the connection details for our tracker. For this, open the camera app on your phone and scan the QR code to open a ready-made SMS. Send it to the tracker's phone number and wait for the tracker's reply as confirmation. After getting the confirmation, enable the checkbox and click Create Asset. Your asset is now added to the platform. From here, you can press Done or Continue Editing to add more details to your tracker. Right-click on it and select Show Terminal to view live tracker data. Now, your Queclink tracker is connected and ready to send data to GpsGate. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on managing your fleet with GpsGate.